Alright guys, Unit 3 test. So the tape below shows Elizabeth spent the 91 minutes, so 70% of her time, on conversation. Complete the table to show the percentages of Elizabeth's study time. That's 91 divided by 10, you get 9.1. Oh no, it's less than that. So you would have 91, right? 91 times 0.7. No. Divided by 7, so 91 divided by 7, that seems a little bit more reasonable. That's 13, and then you get 130. I guess we multiply, so 91 times 0.7. No. 0.7 divided by 91. How are you supposed to do this? So if you divide by, I guess, the percentage, you just get the 100 and 100 to the 10%. Okay, I trust that. John, so my boy John, is deciding between 3 different departments. He tries to find the price per square meter, but makes a mistake. So 830 divided by 75, 1, 2. So number 12 is greater than 11. There we go. Robin has to clean 72 rooms in 6 days. How many rooms can she clean in 9 days? So 72 divided by 6 is 12. And then 12 times 9 is going to be 108. Yeah. Each big square represents one home. So 173. 173. Yeah. 2/5 or 0.4, 40%. That's correct. Choose 2 answers. Which of the following has the same value? 62% of 45. 62% of 45. There we go. 3 out of every 25 men are left-handed. So it's a little higher than 10%. What percent of men are left-handed? So at 3 times 4, 12%. Right? 12%. I trust that. What percent? 50% of the whole. There we go. Which of the following options have the same value? 40 of 85. So 40% of 84. So 2 answers. 0.4 times 84. We're so good. That's one whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. So 1, 4, 5. Let's double check this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. I trust that. And we're so good. And now we're going to try it again and finish Unit 3. Not do the mistake I made last time, which was just doing part of the unit. It's funny how it doesn't update for a while. It says I'm at like 25%, but it says 20%. Anyway, the number shows the distance from the start of the hiking trail to the end. Start of hiking trail to the cave entrance. So 700 meters, 1,200 feet. What is the percentages? So 700%. Meters. So 175 divided by 700. That's a quarter. Right, and that's 50%. I think I'm right, yeah. Which of the following has the same value as 65% of 20? So it's 65% of 20. That doesn't seem ridiculous. C is wrong, E is wrong, A is wrong. Yeah. 3 drivers kept track of the number of crabs they've seen in 1 year. Which diver saw the most crabs per dive? So if we look at this, we can say Scuba Scam had 3 crabs per dive. Wetsuit Willie had around 4, and Deep Diving Dan had around 5 per dive. That's Deep Diving Dan. He's probably the professional of the group. Alright. Estimating 0.5. Ooh, might be Wetsuit Willie, actually. 4, 5. So 104 divided by 26 is about what? 4. 81 divided by 18 is 4.5. I think it's 4.5. We're so good. 1, 2, 2. Miss Conley asked her class what kind of party they want to have to celebrate their excellent behavior. Of all the students in the class, 5 went to an ice cream party, 7 went to a movie party, 10 went to a costume party, and the rest were undecided. If 20% want to go to the ice cream party, how many students are in the class? So, let's see. If 20% want an ice cream party, so you have 5 divided by 0.2, which is 5 times 8, so 40 students. I think I'm doing my math right. 5 divided by 0.2. No, that's fifth, so that's 25 students. I guess that makes sense. So 5 plus, that's 22, so 5 plus 10 plus 7, that's 22, 20, 60, 80, 100. I see that. 1/5. Yeah. A plane flew at a constant speed and traveled 762 miles in 5 hours. How many miles would the plane travel in 3 hours at the same speed? So that's 765 divided by 5, or 762 divided by 5, rather. And then we're going to multiply that times 3. We're going to have 457.2. We're so good. So that's 10. So 110. 110 is represented, I think. Big square, so 119. 6 banners cost $10. So that's 10 over 6, 10 over 8. And so that's $1.25. And I'll multiply that times 6. That's what, $7.50? That makes sense. Baseball inning has 3 pictures, 2 runs, 3 innings. The lowest number of runs per innings allowed. So runs. So is it 5 divided by 7? That's what, 0.7? I think it's Randy. Lowest number of runs per inning. Yeah, that sounds right. And we made it to Unit 3. Yay. Course mastery 20%, 27%. Let's go. 27%. Bye.